I get a lot of comments regarding the glamis videos, and if you look at some of those glamis videos, they're a lot more popular than some of the other videos I'm doing. So if you didn't know, I have like 4 or 5 playlists in there. You could just watch all the trailer builds, you could watch all of our vacation stuff. I went ahead and created one playlist just called Sand Dunes, and it's got all of the sand dune trips that we've done since we started building the tiny camper and then renting those other campers and then the motorhome trip. And in those videos, there's just some great footage of glamis. Most glamis videos you see are people doing crazy things in glamis. We try to record the family-oriented stuff, so I threw that playlist up there, and if you feel like watching some awesome sand dune camping and riding, there it is for you. You're welcome.